Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm like very happy because gyms have opened. I went to the gym today after like 2 months finally, and yeah, so today I'm gonna vlog the day because I'm going to Yashvi's place and I'm going there with Nikita. Nikita is literally my best friend and I haven't seen her in the last 6 months. We last met on my birthday in December and now we're meeting today, and we've decided to celebrate her birthday. Like Yashvi and I, we had bought her some gifts, but we didn't get to celebrate her birthday with her because it was on 13th March and she was in Hyderabad. So yeah, today we're gonna do it. I'm gonna vlog the day because like why not? And I'm literally meeting my friends after so long. They're like my closest friends, the only friends I have left from school, I guess. So yeah. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. I just have this small bag. It's my sister's, it's not mine. Wearing a pink top and a pair of... So I just want to mention a few things. Like, I just want to thank people who watch my videos during these tough times, and especially I want to thank the ones who make time and comment those sweet things under my videos. They really mean a lot to me. All my subscribers mean a lot to me. All my viewers mean a lot to me. And also hope you all are safe, so take care, and I just hope the world gets back to normal ASAP. Hi guys, so we've reached Yashvi's building and I look like shit, so it's fine I guess. Nikita, can you just tell them that we've reached Yashvi's building?
As if you've not said it.
And can you just tell Yashvi that we've reached? No, let's just surprise her, I feel. So just go. Right. Yeah, you didn't even come for a second, I feel.
You did. What I did come for?
You didn't even come for a second. So guys, we are on Yashvi's floor. We can't tell you that. Oh my god! What are you doing here?
It's up Hyderabad. You didn't know I was here?
No.
Gosh. Even I don't know. Even I didn't know. What?
Right there.
Hi,
What is that?
I'm cooking Mexican for you all. मैं इसको अभी थी को क्वेश्चन ही बोलूँ तो जाती हूँ क्यों?
वही मैं खाऊंगी आंटी.
Finally best
अरे हाँ रे बाबा मेरी भी. बस you are
No, Yashvi is taller.
I'm not taller, but
Yeah, she is.
Look, I'm doing routine as long.
You're fighting over height. What can I do?
I'm not the one.
Make it.
I'll cut. I'll cut.
हाँ, she'll cut.
I'm very good at editing. You must have seen my videos if you even watch them.
Yeah.
I to do.
Yeah, I know Nikita does.
It's gonna take a lot of time for us to make it only. I think you keep vlogging. मुझे क्या करना?
What's that now?
It's ranchero sauce.
Don't you feel like taking the name?
यशवी मेरे को एक बात बता.
Nikita, can you get out of the kitchen?
No, I can't. मेरे को एक बात बता, तेरे घर पे बॉटल सिस्टम नहीं है पानी के लिए?
नहीं, मटका है उधर इतना बड़ा.
अबे मटके से डायरेक्टली ग्लास में
हाँ,
जाता है.
of course.
मीडिएटर नहीं है उसका.
नहीं.
बॉटल वाला.
नहीं.
ये कर क्यों होगा?
Actually, what is this dish?
It's I don't even know how to pronounce it. I'm not gonna say it, but
You saying about enchiladas?
yeah, it's somewhat like that. It is like that. It's called enchiladas or something only like
Oh,
that.
enchiladas.
It's a Mexican word.
Yeah,
So
how do you say it?
you
It
know,
doesn't matter. I can cook it. And I
Yeah,
look
it's
horrible
food,
in
guys.
my vlogs, yeah. I look horrible.
do you think we should use olives and alpine somewhere as a topping?
It's not used in enchiladas. It's not.
Where is it for you?
No, I don't want it.
Where is it for you?
Abhi, I'm putting it again in the
Yeah.
वो इसमें knife है क्या?
She's like this on the
उसका गंदा ही आएगा बराबर.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
फ्रिज में बोला मैंने रखना चाहिए था. I told you.
Why it's melting?
No, it's
Don't
not
drop
mine.
anything on my bed.
Now that's too late for you to say it.
वो उसमें ऐसे नीचे लगाओ. She just look like some idiot, you know. Can you open it faster?
No, I won't.
Hey, what are my glasses? I can't see without them. Now I can.
Yeah, you look very different, huh? Without your glasses.
Not very different.
Just shut up.
क्या गीला है?
तो क्या हुआ?
What is it?
तो एकदम पिच गई बट ठीक है. Oh, now you only open it. Then we want to see what's inside.
Oh, that's so cool. I mean, it looks so cool.
Wow. Are you ready?
Yeah, open it. There's things inside it.
Sorry,
You
yeah.
just drop the.
Scrunchy.
It's very cute. Add it to your hand. You already have one.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
What is this?
कैसी है तू? What's the pet? Thanks, yeah. But my birthday is over.
But it's okay, no?
Yeah, that's my mistake
Oh,
actually.
the 5-star
But-
Oreo.
Wow. I didn't know.
Those
I love
are
the
two
colours.
uh,
I love the
lip
colors.
glosses, right?
Yeah.
Bro, I didn't know you got a 5-star Oreo.
I don't know that.
I knew you
get everything outside.
I knew you get.
She 5-star Oreo,
Very cute.
not a good combo, I feel.
Yeah, they're like hearts in it.
Why are you judging?
She said
Who are
they're
you to
hearts.
say anything? People
Please
eat.
feature her in your YouTube video.
Yeah, what is it? It's a bit blur. I mean, your face, huh? Birthday box by Sherry. Shout out to Sherry, guys. It's an Instagram page, guys. I'll mention the link in my description.
Thanks, guys.
The second gift, maybe. Second.
This is addictive.
This is really nice.
almost
No, see, this is like
try
kind
it
of
out.
blueberry.
Yeah, I
this
just
thing.
love the smell.
so cool, bro.
So nice.
Very
Choice, Yash.
It's always me with the creative shit.
Excuse me, she has a whole ass page on Instagram. You are not being creative
Whose
then.
idea was it to give actually those creative soaps and stuff when we went to Alibaug?
Yeah, your idea.
It's you who
always-
looks for it,
Yeah.
but then they actually have those boxes made. You don't make
How
it.
is someone gonna make
You're
it?
acting like you are the curator or something. Please.
God, she's such a mean bitch.
You know, your birthday gonna come next year, so be nice to
So
me.
Next year, no, this year only it's coming.
This is very huge, but very pretty.
It's called oversized.
अरे but oversized can be to an extent, यार.
That's Vaishnavi's description to everything.
अरे but
Yash is going to wear it as a dress.
Guys, shout out to Bonkers.
अरे बॉम्ब को सो यार
और
छोड़
क्या तो मीडियम है ब्रो, मैं हाथ उसको
क्या है ये?
हमने फिर भी स्मॉल लिया, हमें लगा तेरे लिए मीडियम ले लेंगे ज्यादा.
ordering from her.
क्या करना है? मैंने भी नहीं किया कभी.
What is this flavor?
तेरे हाथ पे पाउडर देगा वो रेड ऐसा लग रहा है.
पर ये कुछ भी तीखा नहीं है. Why is it?
So it's not spicy, it's got a cheesy flavor.
And how much do you pay for this?
460.
This seems like वो घर पे पापड़ बनाते और उसके ऊपर ये डालता है ना.
कुछ भी.
It's shit.
Papad.
I'll eat Cheetos.
See, I'll tell you, even I didn't like it, okay? But then I'll tell you something. The further I didn't like, the second I kept eating like, 5-6 of it, it gets addicting.
अरे but that तो
But I
not
only
bad.
हाँ
फिंगर पे तेरा कलर.
हाँ, they'll come colors का powder बहुत है इसके ऊपर. There's a lot of powder on it.
Very unhealthy.
Yeah.
But
Color.
okay.
I only got it for the hype of it bro. और मेरे को 1 साल से खरीदा मैं पैसे नहीं डालूंगी. फिर मैं फाइनली जाकर कल ले लिया परसों.
Very limited.
Normal supermarket, I need some.
It's not but what is it's not worth 460. Exactly. Why are you paying so much? But
Because it's they ship it na bro. They import it. It's not made in India.
it's an imported product. But still, yeah.
I'm seeing how much of blush is looking. Took you pictures.
Looks good enough, na?
Vlog no Vaishnavi.
It's too much.
You randomly
Is it too
stop
much?
vlogging. Very pretty.
Yeah, guys, that's Yashvi Rathod.
And look at us.
Not even coming.
एक मिनट she says मैंने highlights में रखा है. इसको क्यों लगता है कि मैं इसको स्टॉक करती हूँ?
वो
What do
यार
you
चल
think?
खुद को इतना इम्पोर्टेंस दे ही मत.
तो पहनते कैसे यार, मेरे को वो भी नहीं पता.
अरे
See what Nikita is doing. Nikita फोन आगे डाल रही है.
किसी को आता है.
अरे
यशवी तू जो कर रही थी ना वो सही कर रही थी.
ये नहीं.
अरे मेरे को नहीं दिख रहा है.
I only forgot what I was doing. Wait. बाल खराब करे.
अरे मैं वापस ऊपर से ऐसा टच
बाल और बाल को नहीं बांधना मेहरबानी करके.
वाओ थैंक्स फॉर
एक
द
भी बाल
सजेशन
टूटा
बंद नहीं है मैंने कहा किसी की नहीं पहने पे
है नहीं.
It's so good.
about your fantastic day and the view on your class.
Oh, thanks, huh? Completely. Chalo.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Do we have to say that?
I think I just said it and I'm
No,
done.
yeah, I